It took this creator no more than around 2 hours to create a TikTok shop affiliate video, which made them $300,000 in commissions. And no, not in revenue, nothing like that, just in commissions, in profit alone. Now, they found a product which works on TikTok, which has been selling consistently, and all they did is push that organically, and it's made them this amount of money, which is just absolutely insane. This is a very bold claim. I'm excited to walk you through this case study and show you the proof and show you the step-by-step process that this creator followed in order to get the results that they did. All the resources I'm going to be talking about are going to be linked in the description. Also, feel free to jump in there if you want to check out my free TikTok shop affiliate course if you want to get started and make your first dollar online on TikTok. I'm very excited about TikTok shop affiliate. It is by far one of the easiest and one of the most low entry ways to make money on TikTok. Let's jump straight into this case study. So I'm in Shoplus here, which is one of my favorite spy tools for TikTok shop affiliate. It allows me to take a look at what products are trending currently, what creators are making videos, how much money they're making, and of course it allows me to see what the scripts are for these videos and just to learn from success essentially and just see what works for TikTok shop affiliate. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description. Now, in terms of the creator that we are talking about, the product firstly that we're talking about here is the 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support. This is the product that the creator was promoting. I'm going to show you here in a second the creator page here. So this is $14.40 obviously, as you can see, and for every affiliate that promotes and sells this product, they get 20% commission. So that means every sale you make of £14.40, you get given 20% of that into your pockets. Now, the crazy thing about the creator, this is the video that they generated. They made in total $1.3 million in revenue. So this is not commission, this is revenue. This is all the sales. This is what went to the shop after they sold the products. Now, this is where it gets insane, because out of this, they then get paid 20% commission from that. And as we've seen here, the product carries 20% commission. So 20% of $1.3 million, and this is me just rounding it off roughly, works out at $300,000. The video was uploaded on the 3rd of May 2024, but I know that was a long time ago, but bear with me because this product is a product that has been consistently selling and performing on TikTok. It was selling clearly in March when they started, and as you can clearly see, it's still trending as one of the top 5 most sold products in the USA currently at the time of making this video in September 2024. If we look at products that have been trending for the last few weeks, it's at number 4, so still at the top. For the last month, it's at number 4, still at the top. So this is one of those evergreen, consistently performing products. It doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, Christmas, Easter. These are the types of products that if you are looking to start as a TikTok shop affiliate, you need to pay close attention to. But what process did this creator follow exactly? So let's talk about what they likely did. So the first thing they would have done is use a tool like Shoplus to find what products are trending currently, what products are being sold the most, that other people are doing well from. Again, you can use a spy tool like this in order to do that. This makes it infinitely easier and quicker for you to be able to achieve that goal. There are other ways you can do it which are longer and take more effort, like you can look directly through TikTok shop in the marketplace, but there's no analytics, there's not a lot of data that you can use there that is holistic, that shows you that product against other products and how it's performing. So there are a lot of information that you can get from here as well. And the key thing that you can do, which I love about Shoplus, is you can also look at what other creators are promoting that very same product. You can spy into their numbers here. You can see exactly roughly how much commission they are making promoting the same product. So you can make that decision as to whether this product is worth your time or not. I mean, you know, there's other ways, you know, you've got friends that are promoting the same product and whatever, a bit far-fetched, but the easiest and most obvious ways and the quickest way for me is to use a tool like Shoplus, which is going to give you all the information you'll ever need in order to make that decision about what should I sell as a TikTok shop affiliate that is going to make me money. Now, the next step that they likely would have followed is getting the product in their hands. So now that you've seen that this sells and it's been selling consistently over the last couple of months, it's been one of the top products and it's not slowing down, you then want to get it in your hands. And the easiest way you can do this is by going to somewhere like Amazon, where you can look for that product. Now, I couldn't find that specific product exactly here. Some of the products you will find on Amazon, some of them you won't. But when you do find it, you can just order it for next day delivery. If you don't find it, don't worry. You can also order that product directly from TikTok. You can buy it from TikTok Shop. Again, it'll be a similar price to what we can see on the product page here, around $14, which is not a lot. Some people spend that on ridiculously stupid things every single day that do not make them money. When you purchase that product for $14, you're potentially going to get a return of $300,000 or thousands of dollars even, or hundreds of dollars even, from people buying that product from TikTok Shop. So it's, not even worth thinking about. So they could have purchased it directly from TikTok Shop. Alternatively, another option that you get as a TikTok Shop affiliate is you can ask for a sample directly from the shop. So another thing they could have done is go directly to the shop and ask for them to send them a free sample of this product in return for them making videos, making sales, and making the shop some money. Now, the shop will look at your page and they will make that decision as to whether you're someone that's worth sending their product out free to or not. So those are kind of the top 3 ways that they could have gotten this product. The fourth one, a bit far-fetched, but they could have had this product lying there in their home already. It could have been something that they were naturally using anyway. So, if you look around your house, you'll find at times that you've got a ton of stuff that you use that is already on TikTok Shop, and you don't need to acquire the product because you already have it because you use it naturally anyway. So from there, once they had the product in hand, the next thing they had to do is create the video. Now, the video is here. It's 81 seconds long. It was uploaded on the 3rd of May 2024. Again, even though the video was uploaded ages ago, I'm not worried about that because we can see that this product is still performing consistently even to this day. So they then created the video. Now, I've played this video prior to making this video. It's a very, very straightforward video. There's nothing fancy. There's no fancy effects. There's no fancy editing. It's literally just this gentleman talking about the product, talking about their results and how they've found using the product. They get on the scales. They show the transformation that they've had. In some cases, you don't even need to have had a transformation yet. You might just be getting on the scales and telling people that, look, I am about to try this product. I've seen that it's really popular. I've heard stories online, people talking about it and having some really good transformations, cleansings, and feeling much better, gut health much better. So you don't necessarily have to be someone that's been using the product for like the last 6 months. You could just honestly just be jumping on the video saying, hey, I'm going to give this a try now. This is where I'm at. Or if you want to wait a day or two to try the product out and see how you feel and then make the video, you can do so as well. Now, this is in Spanish, I believe. So I can't, Spanish or another, or I don't know what the language is exactly, but so I can't really understand what they're saying in the video. However, you can get the gist of the video just from watching it. They're literally just talking about their experience. They've got the product in hand and they're promoting the product there. And the crazy thing, guys, is you don't even have to go that hardcore promoting the product. You're not asking people to buy it, get it every 2 seconds. You're literally just talking about the experience and you're telling people you've got a link that they can purchase the product from at somewhere within your video. You don't even need to say a couple of times. In some cases, just once or twice does it. Then TikTok does the rest. We can also see as well, which is quite interesting, that this wasn't pushed by ads. If it had been pushed by ads, if I show you guys, let me just go back to relevant videos here. There we go. So if a video has been pushed by ads, you can clearly see the ones that are ad driven here. So those are UGC videos where creators created the videos and the shops paid to push the video within TikTok. But this particular video here is this one. There was no ad push, or it might be another one that's higher up actually. It's this one, sorry. Yeah. So there was no ad push at all. It doesn't say ads. This was just TikTok pushing the video organically. They managed to drive 16.6 million views so far. And as mentioned earlier, they generated 1.3 million in sales, and the commission amount they would have received is of course 20% off that, because that's what this product offers, and that is the really the crazy part about it. So they generated $300,000, which is still growing, by the way, because the video is essentially going to live for, however long it lives for within TikTok. So however long the video stays uploaded on TikTok, they are still continuing to make money from anyone that purchases the product on there. Not even that big of a creator as well, 48k followers, 47 videos, so nothing too crazy on that side in terms of that. Now, the fourth step after creating the video is they would have had to, of course, upload the video on TikTok. This is their profile here. As you can see, they've got a bunch of different videos. That's pretty straightforward. You just upload it as you normally would do any other video, put in the relevant hashtags. And again, because you've got a tool like Shoplus, you can spy on what hashtags people are using, what they're saying in their videos, and you can essentially see what works here. You don't have to spend hours and hours trying to find the right hashtags because all of that information is on all these other videos here. Shoplus also allows you to download the video script, so you can literally spy on what other people are saying in their videos. You can read the script, you can chuck it into ChatGPT or another AI tool, get it to rewrite it for you, and you can essentially use what already works. Now, after uploading the video, the fifth thing is, of course, consistency. You have to keep uploading if you are serious about making that extra bread from TikTok. As you can see, they just kept going, kept uploading, and just kept moving forward. They didn't just upload once and stop. This is the video that we're talking about here. This one that's got 16.6 million. They've got some decent views on the other videos as well, but ultimately, the one that changed things for them is this one here. Now, 16.6 million views. You will never get that many views on platforms like YouTube, for example, especially for videos that have affiliate products within them. There are only a very few creators that are able to do that online, and that is beyond life-changing money. Imagine if he had received 16.6 million views on a video that hasn't got an affiliate product, on a video that even maybe didn't even qualify for the Creator Rewards program and got nothing for it. There are hundreds of thousands of people in that position currently on TikTok. But in this case, they worked smartly. Every video that they uploaded has got a product that is being promoted, so that when the video does go viral and they get a ton of sales from them, even if it doesn't go viral, they're probably getting a few decent sales from their different videos as well. So really, really interesting case study there. $300,000 commission from a 81-second long video as a TikTok shop affiliate. All the resources I've talked about, again, will be linked in the description. You can check out Shoplus, linked in the description. I've got a free TikTok shop affiliate beginner course that you can check out as well, which will be linked in the description. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.